Hey guys, welcome to my another video of snow landscape painting. This one is easy and just right for all the beginners. So if you are a beginner, then watch this video and learn. Starting with painting the sky. Colors are already mentioned in the video itself. I have added a lot of colors into the sky and it just looked so mesmerizing. I continue to add paint onto the wet paper to make everything appear nice and soft. You can see this wavy kind of effect on my paper. This is because my paper is wet and I am using a normal A4 size paper, not any special kind of watercolor paper. After drying, it will be just like before. Next, mountains that are far away. The details on them were done by dry brushing, and the white space left in between is depicting snow. Painting the trees in the foreground with the darker shades. Painted my first layer for the trees and was very careful to show details. There are different kinds of trees in this painting. Be very careful while painting them. Always use small brush for this part. Trees appear to be small because they are far away. Snow surface which I have painted with violet is in this shade. Light reflecting from the sky is creating a very beautiful impact on the snow. Adding a darker shade to the trees. I have another video of snow painting whose link I will post in the description down below. Trees in the background will appear to be more dark than the trees in the foreground. Now painting the snow which is settled on the tree. It doesn't appear to be this much bright. I will tone it down afterwards. In my reference photo, the background trees did not have a lot of snow on them. So if you are wondering why they did not have snow, that's why. If you want to ask anything, feel free to ask in the comment section. Painting the small details like stones and grass using the dark shades. I will be uploading more realistic and effective videos of snow painting even further. This video is for beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. So this is how my painting looks like in the end.